Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Editorial Drill, and today we have a very short editorial that we have chosen from Business Standard titled as Trade Integration: ASEAN Trade Agreement Should Not Be Abandoned. It has been published on 10th of July. As a part of this editorial, the author basically discusses the relationship between India and ASEAN. I hope you know about ASEAN. ASEAN is basically a regional intergovernmental organization that comprises of 10 Southeast Asian countries. And basically this FTA that we have with ASEAN, no doubt that it provides a lot of economic benefits. But despite these economic benefits, there are certain type of challenges also. And these challenges, these concerns have been raised by the government very recently, which are related to the competition from Chinese goods in Southeast Asia. Basically, this ASEAN FTA allows for dumping of cheaper Chinese goods in South Asia, which basically undermines the Indian manufacturers. And this is something I would say is the main issue that has been highlighted as a part of this editorial. But the editorial also conveys the message that at any point of time, India should not try to drop this FTA. Why is it so? Because we know that ASEAN is basically a very important key economic bloc, and apart from being an economic bloc, it is also a strategic partner with respect to India in the South Asian region. So we should not drop this FTA at any point of time. Instead, what we should do, we should focus upon the strategic cooperation. We need to strengthen the rules that can stop Chinese dumping. We need to keep the agreement but improve it for Indian industries. So that is something that has been suggested by the editorial. It says that abandoning of FTA is a short-sighted thing. Let's make it better and not break it. And at the end, the editorial says that the strategic cooperation at any point of time is way better than isolation. I hope it is clear to you. You can let me know in the chat box, sorry, the comment box, and thank you so much and all the best.